Hi, this is Jen with the Ole Valley Community Library, and today I'm going to show you how you can search our collection from anywhere you have internet access. Using your computer, smartphone, or a tablet, go to olevalleylibrary.com. When our website loads, scroll down and click on Click Here to search our collection. This is where you'll be able to search for anything that we currently have in the library. You can search our collection by keyword, title, author, or subject. Also on this page, you'll be able to find new items that have recently been added to our collection, featured items that we change out periodically based on the season or holidays that are coming up, and you can also see our most checked out items. Today I'm going to search for Jodi Picoult. When this page loads, it will show you all of the books that we currently have by that author. When you click on a book, you'll be able to see where you can find it in the library. You'll also be able to read a synopsis, and you'll be able to see whether the copy that we have is currently available. This also shows you that there's one reserve on it. So chances are, even though this copy is currently available, there is a reserve, so someone will be taking it out shortly. Here's another one. This one is a book on CD. So again, it shows you what section of the library you can find it in and the availability. Now, you have the ability to sign up for an account with our library. Once you have an account, you'll be able to do more. You'll be able to see what you currently have checked out and the due date. You'll be able to see a history of the fines and payments that you've had and any current balance you may have. You'll be able to see your entire circulation history. So anything that you've borrowed from the library, you'll be able to find here. The default is 90 days, but you can change it to whatever time period you want. Finally, you'll be able to see if you have made any requests for a reserve. Again, to search, I will search for Jodi Picoult. When I see a book that I want, I have two options. I can either add it to my book bin. That will add it to your list right here. This is simply for your reference. Perhaps you want to make a list of things we have in the library that you're interested in borrowing at some point. When you come to the library, you can pull this list up on your phone and you can see if any of the things you're interested in are here. Or you can print out your list and you can bring it with you. Another thing you can do when you find something that you'd like to borrow is you can place a reserve on the item. Leave the date as it is and click send, and you'll get a confirmation that your reserve request was successfully sent to the librarian. It likely will take up to 24 hours to get your reserve in the library, but once we have it, we will call you to let you know that your reserve is ready for pickup, and we can hold it for 1 week. If there's anything else that you'd like to know about this, or if you would like to sign up for your own login, please email ovclibrary@gmail.com, and we can email you instructions on how you can sign up for a login. Thank you.